Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
Welcome to our deep dive into the world of semiconductors, where we'll explore how Taiwan has established itself as the undisputed king of semiconductor chips. As we navigate through this fascinating landscape, we'll uncover the pivotal role semiconductors play in modern technology and the key factors that have propelled Taiwan to the forefront of this critical industry. Semiconductors are the backbone of virtually all electronic devices. They serve as the essential building blocks for integrated circuits, enabling the functionality of a wide range of technologies. Semiconductors are crucial for processors, memory, and storage, powering everything from laptops to the latest smartphones. Modern vehicles rely on semiconductors for advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment systems, and electric powertrains. Devices like televisions, gaming consoles, and smart home appliances all depend on semiconductor technology. Semiconductors facilitate the functioning of network equipment that supports our internet connectivity. The global reliance on semiconductors marks them as a critical factor for economic growth and technological advancement. Do subscribe to my channel, also like and share these videos. Also, if you want these kind of videos, then you can watch out full playlist by going to the playlist section of our channel. At the heart of the global semiconductor industry lies Taiwan, a country renowned for its advanced manufacturing capabilities and innovative companies. Let's talk of the standout player of Taiwan's semiconductors leadership. It is the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. TSMC is the world's largest dedicated independent semiconductor foundry. Remarkably, in 2022, TSMC accounted for over 50% of the global semiconductor foundry market. TSMC has consistently led the industry in innovation, being the first to produce chips using 5-nanometer technology, enhancing both performance and energy efficiency. TSMC has significantly contributed to Taiwan's economic development, fostering job creation and technological advancement, and solidifying Taiwan's position in the global tech supply chain. TSMC invests heavily in research and development, with approximately $3.5 billion allocated in 2022, focusing on next-generation technologies and manufacturing capabilities. Taiwan's journey toward becoming a semiconductor powerhouse began after World War II. The island underwent a significant economic transformation, shifting from an agrarian society to a rapidly industrializing economy. In the late 1940s and early 1950s, land reforms redistributed land from landlords to tenant farmers, increasing agricultural productivity and freeing up labor for industrial jobs. Initially, Taiwan adopted an import substitution strategy but shifted focus to export promotion by the 1960s, encouraging manufacturers to cater to international markets. This transition was supported by establishing export processing zones. The government invested heavily in education, particularly in technical fields, resulting in one of Asia's highest literacy rates by the 1980s. A pivotal moment in Taiwan's economic development was the establishment of the Hsinchu Science Park in 1980. Designed to promote research and development and collaboration between academia and industry, HSP provided infrastructure, tax incentives, and funding for tech companies. HSP became a hub for semiconductor companies, leading to the growth of key players like TSMC and UMC. As of 2023, HSP accounted for approximately 30% of Taiwan's total semiconductor production. The science park has created tens of thousands of jobs, housing a workforce of over 160,000 employees as of 2022. From 1952 to 1980, Taiwan's GDP growth averaged around 8% annually, with industrial output expanding from 20% of GDP in the early 1960s to over 30% by the late 1970s. Taiwan's semiconductor industry is dominated by several key players, each contributing uniquely to the global supply chain. Let's talk of the major player first, the TSMC, founded in 1987. TSMC is the world's largest dedicated semiconductor foundry, holding a market share of over 54% in the global foundry market as of 2023. TSMC operates on a pure-play foundry model, manufacturing chips for various customers without competing in design, allowing it to serve diverse clients like Apple and Qualcomm. TSMC leads in advanced manufacturing technologies, including 5-nanometer and 3-nanometer processes, with ongoing development of 2-nanometer technology as of 2023. TSMC invests heavily in research and development with approximately $3.5 billion allocated in 2022, focusing on next-generation technologies and manufacturing capabilities. TSMC manufactures Apple's A-series chips, which power devices like the iPhone and iPad. The A15 Bionic chip, produced using TSMC's 5 nanometers process, offers significant performance improvements and energy efficiency compared to its predecessors. Let's now talk of another player, MediaTek, founded in 1997. MediaTek specializes in system-on-chip solutions for mobile devices and IoT applications, holding approximately 35% of the global smartphone SoC market as of 2022. MediaTek has been at the forefront of developing 5G solutions and incorporating AI capabilities into its chipsets. Launched in 2021, the Dimensity 1200 chip of MediaTek powers various mid-range smartphones, offering features like 5G connectivity and advanced AI processing. Another player in our list is UMC, founded in 1980. UMC focuses on manufacturing integrated circuits, holding a market share of around 7% in the global foundry market as of 2023. UMC develops specialty technologies for applications like power management and RF communication. Taiwan's investment in education, particularly in engineering and technology, has been instrumental in supporting its semiconductor industry. The government allocated approximately 16% of its national budget to education in 2021, with a significant portion directed toward technical education. Taiwanese universities have established specialized programs in semiconductor engineering, with over 200,000 students enrolled in engineering and technology programs by 2022. Strong partnerships between universities and semiconductor companies facilitate research and innovation, with internships for students providing hands-on experience. The government allocated approximately $300 million for semiconductor-related research projects in 2021. The Taiwanese government has played a crucial role in supporting the semiconductor industry through various policies and initiatives. The government offers tax breaks and subsidies for research and development projects, including a 15% tax credit for R&D expenses incurred by semiconductor companies. Initiatives like the 5+2 Industrial Transformation Plan aim to enhance competitiveness across multiple sectors, including semiconductors. In 2022, Taiwan's semiconductor industry contributed approximately $100 billion to the national economy. The government actively promotes foreign direct investment through simplified regulations and incentives. Let's see a real-life example of this. Intel announced plans to invest $20 billion in Taiwan in 2021, while ASE Group expanded its operations with government support. Taiwan plays a critical role in the global semiconductor supply chain, serving as a manufacturing and innovation hub. Taiwan's integrated approach allows efficient collaboration between design, manufacturing, and testing. Taiwan's semiconductor exports reached $50 billion in 2022. Let's look at geopolitical factors influencing Taiwan's semiconductor position. U.S.-China trade tensions. Ongoing trade tensions have heightened Taiwan's importance, with U.S. companies increasingly relying on TSMC for chip production. Despite its success, Taiwan's semiconductor industry faces challenges that could impact its future growth. Competition from other countries like China pose a threat over Taiwan. China's semiconductor industry is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of around 17% from 2021 to 2025, posing a significant challenge to Taiwan. Let's now move towards South Korea's investments, which threaten Taiwan's semiconductor industry. Samsung's $151 billion investment plan to enhance semiconductor production by 2030 intensifies competition. Let's now look at impact of global events on supply chains of semiconductor industry. The COVID-19 pandemic disrupted global semiconductor supply chains, leading to significant shortages, particularly in the automotive sector. Future outlook for Taiwan's semiconductor industry is evident from TSMC's commitment to investing $100 billion over the next 3 years. Moreover, Taiwan will face increasing pressure to adopt sustainable practices in semiconductor manufacturing to meet global environmental standards. In conclusion, Taiwan's semiconductor industry is a global leader, driven by major players like TSMC, MediaTek, and UMC. Through strategic government support, investments in education, and a robust manufacturing ecosystem, Taiwan has solidified its position as the semiconductor chip king. As we move forward, the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead will shape the future of this critical industry. Taiwan's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and collaboration will be key in maintaining its dominance in the semiconductor landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Taiwan's semiconductor industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
And do subscribe to the channel.